So today I am trying roller derby. I am like so scared. I've never thought about doing this and never thought I would have an opportunity where I would be able to do this. So let's see how it goes. Hello, hello, hello.
Hi, how are you? Oh, you should be. I'm gonna knock you over.
This feels so foreign to me. Like I've never put on gear or even
You have
like
toe stops?
something I vowed to never do. Look at me.
We're gonna make you throw up by the end of the night. I am Jessie James. I am the head coach of Red Run Renegade.
Okay, so I have no idea what roller derby is. If you were to describe it in just a sentence,
Okay.
break it down for me.
It's WWE on skates.
Okay, let's see. I don't know if I'm ready for that. What's like, walk me through a typical game. What does that look like?
So we play Renegade rules, which is a little bit different than what everyone typically knows as roller derby, which is with us. The main difference is we have no penalties, but the gameplay is very similar.
Okay.
So a bout would be 3 periods, which is, we call them 3 halves. Obviously they're not halves because there's 3 of them. But there's 3 periods, 15 minutes each, and we get about 5 to 10 minutes break in between. Just kind of depends on the team, how hard they want to go, if they want to kill each other. We do 1-minute jams, so you're on the track for 1 minute, you get a 30-second break, then the next line is out on the track for another minute, and so on.
I'm a jam skater. Is that like what? Is there like a dance break in between?
So actually, so as a team, we do value 30-second dance breaks. Seeing your skating, I kind of feel like you're going to be more of a jammer. So that's probably the role we're gonna put you in.
Okay, awesome.
It's gonna be great.
And today we're doing a little drill practice. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, walk me through what's gonna happen today. What am I gonna experience?
So we're just gonna start with a warm up. Go nice and easy. We're gonna stretch. One of our endurance coach is gonna kill you with endurance, so you'll be nice and tired.
Oh, great.
And then the second hour, we're gonna do some roller derby drills.
Okay.
It's gonna have some contact drills, some strategy drills. So after you're all tired, you're gonna do that.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for that. I want to stay alive. How can I do that in a game of roller derby?
Okay, so roller derby is a very high contact sport, high impact. As you can see, you're fully geared up. Knee pads, elbows and wrist guards, and a helmet.
Okay.
So the main thing that we teach new skaters is learn how to fall and don't fight the fall.
Well, we're gonna see plenty of that. I'm gonna have plenty of opportunities for falling today. Anything else I should know just before I throw myself out there onto the floor?
Have fun with it.
Beautiful, I can do that, and we can do that. Let's go!
You back up here, and then when you get up here, you're gonna race too.
Race.
All right, race, go, 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 go! Go, Pete, go! Get it, Pete!
I'm gonna get some water now. Oh my god.
Again, I'm the coach. There's Hot Cakes, our other coach. She'll be killing you today with endurance. This is me, our captain. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Go! When I say go, you're gonna fall to one side or the other.
Okay.
Keep your skates out from under your butt.
Okay.
Skates under your butt equals broken ankle. All right, ready? Go!
You have a minute to do 5 hard laps. 5 laps. Oh, that sounds easy, right? It's mad easy. A minute on to do the lap, minute off to rest. You've done before, easy peasy. You got extra time in it. So that's what we're doing. 5 hard laps. Got that,
Jayonce.
Jayonce. far so good. I like his attitude. I like his heart. I like his pads. You know, rainbows and shit. That's all my thing. I'm sorry, I don't mean to cuss. I'm allowed to.
He's doing really good. You can tell that he skates a lot. Derby's a little bit different skills than other skating, but he's doing really good.
He's doing great because I mean he skates like twice a day every day, so his endurance is good. And he's young.
So we're gonna right now we're about to work on falls. Falls is, like I said, it's a bigger part of derby. It's also very tiring. So I think I could do it. It's just gonna, you know, work him out a little. Give him a talent.